Welcome back, students. Now, before starting next topic, let me introduce some students to you people who have qualified Haryana exam. Because on that day, they were away from Jalandhar. They could not be able to reach here. Let me ask Ankit, Ankita, Akashdeep, come here. Come here and yes, make this arrangement so that they may also come in view. All right. Yes, he is Ankit Garg. Now, he was very good orator in our class. He used to ask multiple questions in the class. And I will ask him afterward to share something with you that how he has prepared and how you should prepare for this preliminary exam. Now, Ankita Garg, she is wife of Ankit Garg. You will be happy and surprised to know Ankit and Ankita. We used to relish that at some time. And he is a Kashdeep. Very good marks they have obtained. We wish that they should come with flying color also. Now here, since they have come on the stage, let me ask them, first of all, to take oath. Give this mic to them. Akashdeep. No, here, Akashdeep. Come forward. Slightly with that. No, you are not to see. You are to see in the camera. It is all right. You can take it. Yes. Give me this mic. Yes, you take it. Bring it. Yes, I will say, and you have to follow me, right? Now, no doubt you have qualified that preliminary examination. Earlier also, I have disclosed in earlier video that how you have to prepare. Since they were not there, therefore I want that they should also take oath so that they may definitely come in this examination with flying color and they will become judge. Now you will follow me. I state in between, bring. On oath that I shall devote 10 hours daily for preparing Haryana Judicial Examination, and I shall give up all my other activities of life till I take this test, and I shall leave no stone unturned in succeeding in this examination with flying color. All right, very good. Now you sit there and I will ask, yes, Ankit, you stand here, you sit there. I'll give this mic to Ankit. Yes, Ankit. Now there are some students who are online. Please, Ashok, online, who are there. Now you guide them that how you have prepared, how much time you have devoted. Now all the three persons, they remained here in the academy almost 1.5 years, and they have spent. They were fully trained in all respect, and they also used to argue in the court also. All right, let us see that how he has prepared and what guidelines he want to give to you also. to follow, because same type of education is with you. Whatever he has already learned, let us see. Yes, Ankit, how you have prepared, first of all, tell me. Keep it very close to your mouth, very close to your mouth.
First of all, I would like to thank sir that whatever we have been able to do till now, it is only due to him and the way he taught us in the class. The mantra of success of passing through this exam will be religiously following his teaching, and whatever he teaches you in class, pay very good attention to it, and that is the key of success, because you need not to read anything else. What he teaches you in the class is probably the everything of the syllabus which you can get from anywhere. The key is be very much attentive. He tend to teach you each and every single word in class itself, so you have a very much holistic view of everything. मतलब आपको जो लॉ की रिक्वायरमेंट है वो सर क्लास के अंदर टोटली ही पूरी करा देते हैं. एंड द बेस्ट पार्ट ऑफ सर इज कि एवरी डे ही ट्राइज कि आपको डे टू डे जो कुछ भी अगर नया हो रहा है, दैट इज व्हाट politically is going on, वो भी सर आपको he is trying to do it in the class itself. एंड जो आपके जो टेस्ट पेपर्स हैं दे आर वेरी मच रेलिवेंट इन द मंत्र ऑफ सक्सेस. बच्चे बहुत तरह के क्वेश्चन पेपर सॉल्व करते हैं. हमारे साथ यहाँ काफी बच्चे हैं जिन्होंने जस्ट सर के क्वेश्चन पेपर ही अच्छे से सॉल्व कर करके जस्ट क्रैमिंग देम, दे हैव अचीव्ड सच गुड नंबर्स. मतलब वो कोई और एकेडमी के बच्चे सोच भी नहीं सकते, बिकॉज आपको पूरा का पूरा बेरेक्ट मतलब थ्रू वर्ड्स आपको हर एक चीज क्लियर कराई जाती है. एवरी सेक्शन इज बीइंग टॉट टू यू. आपकी जो कॉपीज हैं दे आर मंत्रास. मतलब अगर आप उसको रिलीजियसली फॉलो करते हो तो आई डोंट थिंक सो कि आपको कोई और चीज की रिक्वायरमेंट जल्दी पड़ेगी. इट इज अप टू यू कि आप अगर थोड़ा सा और अपने आप को पॉलिश अप अगर करना चाहते हो, इफ यू थिंक सो देन यू कैन गो फॉर इट. बट सर की जो बुक्स हैं दे आर जस्ट लाइक भगवत गीता इन लॉ, कि अगर आप उनको एक बार अच्छे से पढ़ लेते हो तो आई डोंट थिंक सो कि आपके पास कोई चीज रह जाती है पूछने वाली. एंड द नर्व्स ही हैज, आई डोंट थिंक सो कोई और टीचर्स वो नर्व्स रख पाएगा. बिकॉज आई नो आवर सेल्फ, हमारा बैच जो था वो मुश्किल से आई थिंक व्हेन आई केम टू हिम आई वाज थिंकिंग कि भाई मुझे सब कुछ आता ही है तो आई विल जस्ट गिव टेस्ट सीरीज. सर ने मुझे बोला कि बेटा यू जस्ट ट्राई गिविंग सम टेस्ट. एंड जब मैंने टेस्ट पेपर्स दिए थे आई वाज नॉट एबल टू डू इवन सिंगल क्वेश्चन इन इट, दो मैंने तैयारी शुरू की हुई थी अपनी तरफ से. बट आफ्टर कमिंग टू सर वी आर एबल टू इंटरप्रेट आवर बेरेक्ट्स एंड एवरीथिंग व्हिच इज द मोस्ट रिक्वायरमेंट. कि आप अपने बेरेक्ट्स को कैसे पढ़ रहे हो, क्या कर रहे हो, वो सर ने आपको सिखाना है. अगर आप बोलोगे इंडिविजुअली सीखना देन यू हैव टू हैव अ वेरी हाई इंटेलेक्ट कि भी आप इंडिविजुअली उसको पढ़ोगे. तो यही है जो मंत्र ऑफ सक्सेस है. एंड आई थिंक सर से अच्छा ट्यूटर एंड मेंटर आपको इस फील्ड के अंदर नहीं मिल सकता. And that is all what
Now
I can say.
I will ask him to share with you his earlier experience, that what he did earlier prior to coming to my class, because he came here to me in the year 2017. Now when he came here, now he attended the classes 1 year and a half, and he worked very hard. I have already disclosed to you that he was very good orator, and he used to ask many questions in the class.
Yeah.
And he is having very good knowledge about all these provisions of law. Let me ask him to share with you his earlier experience, that where he got earlier coaching, or from where he has completed his law, so that you may also know that what type of study is there. Yes.
So my graduation of law was from Punjab University, Chandigarh. So 3 years law I have done from there. So we were never ever very much aware of anything because the coursework hota tha, we should finish it off. Then afterwards I went to Delhi for my preparation, and after coming from Delhi there was just coming this Punjab exam. So somebody suggested me कि भी Jalandhar के अंदर के there is a coaching center, you should join it.
How much time you spent there at Delhi?
I spent 1 year in Delhi, but the thing is, I didn't learn many things from Delhi. That is
You attended some institute there?
Yeah, I attended. I was at Rahul.
Which was the
I was
institute?
at Rahul's at Delhi, but I was not able to get much of things from there because it's a very big class. Unless until you are very I told you that आपका अगर इंटेलेक्ट बहुत हाई है तब तक आप उसको नहीं गिन सकते. जो आपको एनवायरनमेंट यहाँ मिलेगा वो आपको कहीं भी नहीं मिल पाएगा.
How many students were there in that class at that time?
The time when we used to study, there were around 300 students. अगर आपने कोई क्वेश्चन पूछना भी होता था, it was just like a gamble कि शायद राहुल सर तक कोई क्वेश्चन पहुंच जाएगा. ठीक है ना? So that was the biggest problem there. और सर के पास तो ये सिस्टम है, अगर आपको कोई क्वेश्चन, कोई आप बेरिक वर्ड पढ़ रहे हो, अगर आपको कोई वर्ड भी नहीं समझ आता, यू जस्ट कम टू सर, यू कैन विजिट हिम इन ऑफिस, यू कैन आस्क दैट क्वेश्चन इन क्लास, एंड दैट इज द बेस्ट थिंग. क्योंकि आपको कोई समझा नहीं सकता. सम पीपल मस्ट बी हियर जिनकी लॉ बैकग्राउंड तो बिल्कुल भी नहीं है, ना कोई घर में कोई लॉयर है या कुछ है. अगर होंगे भी, स्टिल यू कैन नॉट गो एंड आस्क योर पेरेंट्स. सम टाइम इट हैपेंस, क्योंकि आपको लगता है कि यार आप लॉयर, आप ग्रेजुएट हो, तो आपको इतनी चीजें पता होनी चाहिए. बट सर के पास तो ये ही इज मोर लाइक अ फादर फिगर, कि मतलब उनके पास तो ये आप कुछ भी लेके चले जाओ, ही इज एंड एवरी टाइम रेडी. अगर उस दिन नहीं बताएंगे, नेक्स्ट डे ही इज प्रिपेयर्ड विद दैट थिंग व्हिच यू आस्क्ड डे बिफोर दैट डे. So that is the thing which.
All right, Ankit, we wish that you must sit on the seat of a judge in coming year 2022. All the best, all the best, all the best. Ankita, now you come here. Now, Ankita and Ankit, they were studying together at Delhi. All right, Ankita. Now you should also share your experience, because you remained here 1 year and some months, and you tell them so that they may also devote time, they may also go that direction which you have followed. Okay.
First of all, I would like to thank sir for his guidance and mentorship in my clearing this exam, because I was also at Rahul's and I had the same experience there, that we used to study there, but we never used to gain much knowledge over there. So when Ankit suggested me to come to sir, first of all, I was reluctant that I don't want to join any coaching center, because I thought I had already attended my classes, I will be able to do it. Then I joined when Evidence Act started at this coaching center, and I appeared for my test, and then I got to know where I am standing. So I joined this coaching, and the best part is sir explains each and every provision with examples. Today also, if we don't understand anything, because it has been 2 years since we have left this, we open our notebooks and the examples are very much sufficient for understanding the provisions. And the tests which he gives every day, they have helped us a lot if you do it sincerely, very sincerely. So you don't need to, I think I've never referred any other book except sir's notes and barracks, and no other test series or no other test papers. So that is the best thing that I have liked about this.
No, you want to recommend them that 3 things are important to read. And to number 1, it is a copy which they have prepared. Number 2,
Sir, Barracks.
Bare
You should
Act.
have command on each and every provision. Which
Number
I
3,
felt. The
all your
test papers.
test papers. Now these 3 things are valuable things. Therefore, don't waste them. Rather maintain in proper files, because they will come, they will help you after the lapse of 5 years, even 3 years. Not only that, when you will become judges, there also you will sometime find that this concept was discussed in the class. You will definitely come to that. Now, in Rahul, share with them more experience, that whether you used to write anything there also?
Yes, sir. There were classes. He used to dictate. Sir, I was not very serious at that time, I think so.
All right.
So it is a regular process. You have to study at home everything what is taught in the class. I never used to follow that. And there was no compulsion for test series. So एक बच्चों को होता है कि ठीक है नहीं compulsory तो why to give it. So यहाँ पे we get after classes. So
No,
so that-
whenever any test was conducted
I
at
have
that
never-
time,
I have never given any test.
you used to get how much marks?
So I have never given any test.
No, here
Here
Here.
I used to get above 90.
100% sometimes,
100%.
above 90. Once you started here getting 90%.
That is a very motivating point, definitely.
All right, very good, Ankita, very good. We wish that you must sit on the seat of a judge. All right, Akashdeep, come here. Yes, Akashdeep, how many marks you have obtained? Ashok, bring their mark sheet also, so that I may mark sheet percentage on the board. 400.8, 80%. Very nice. He got 80% because in the class he used to get 100%. Why you have got less here? Some. Okay, all right. Otherwise, he used to get 100% here in the class. He used to discuss each and everything. Rather, all classmates used to ask him how he is preparing. Let us hear that how he has prepared. What were his principles? Yes, Akashdeep, you will tell them in Punjabi, Hindi, English, whatever you want to express. Express
So
it
first of-
effectively.
Yes, sir. Sir, thanks a lot, first of all, to you for your blessings and guidance in the classroom. Like my friend have told that these test papers are very important for you. We have practicing these test papers at home also because of only these, because their concept are like जैसे हम वहाँ पे रहने में पेपर देते हैं आंसर शीट्स बिल्कुल सेम ऐसे होती हैं और जब हमने यहाँ पे पूरा साल की होती है ना मार्किंग की होती है तो वहाँ पे बिल्कुल भी कोई भी गलती नहीं लगती अदरवाइज मैनी स्टूडेंट्स मैनी ऑफ आवर कलीग्स वो क्वेश्चन आंसर मार्किंग में गलती हो जाती है उनसे कोई ऊपर होगा नीचे होगा इसलिए के लिए इनकी प्रैक्टिस बहुत जरूरी है टेस्ट पेपर्स की एंड मोर ओवर सर्स नोट्स आर वेरी गुड टू इंटरप्रेट एनी बेयर एक्ट before coming here we even we don't know abc of bear acts because in colleges we know but how level for study is there and here after coming here we know to interpret bear act and now we are I think
You did your LLB from where?
sir gnd
GNDC from Jalandhar or
sir jalandhar
Jalandhar Regional
yes
College. All right. Now, there, whether they have taught you like this, the provisions of the acts.
not at all sir.
All right. We wish that you must qualify this. Now, I will ask all the students to come here. Let us have a photograph with them. Yes, come here. Ananya. Yes, all of you come here. Oh, yes, Ashok, make the arrangement. You come here. Yes, Ankit, you come here also. Yes, you remain there in front. Oh, yes, you come with us. Come here, come close to me. Yes, you come here, somebody. Oh, yes, Ananya, come here, please. Here. Yes. All right. No, you also go there next. Yes, small, certainly. Yes, very good. Whether you want to ask some question from them, they are here. Don't say afterward that you wanted to ask some question. All right, you stand here. Yes, Ankita. Oh, yes, bring the. Is it all right? Yes, come to this side. Come to this side. Yes, yes, that is sufficient. That is sufficient. Oh, yes, Ashok, who are online? Tell me. Yes, Devendra, you want to ask some question in order to improve your anybody? Please ask that if you are doubtful or if you want to get some knowledge. Now, new students must ask. Yes, Manpreet, Mamta, any question from them? Because they were just like you people. When this Akashdeep came here, he was just like you. He had never attended any class. He directly came after getting that degree of law. Oh, yes, Priya. Ask some question. That what line? Yes, Lata. Ananya? No, Ananya. Ananya, she has just completed 10+2. She has joined law just now. Online, who are they? Online. Abhishek, bring Abhishek. Yes, Abhishek.
Good afternoon, sir.
Afternoon. Good afternoon. Now these students are standing here with me who have qualified Haryana, and we wish that you must also follow suit.
Thank you, sir,
Therefore,
and congratulations
you
to
might
these
have some
people.
question in your mind. Please do ask them that how they have prepared, what was their way of, what were the principles that they have followed. Ask some question. Yes.
So, like regarding the preliminary examination, I don't have any such question, but regarding mains examination, I do have one or two questions.
All right. Since they are going to prepare for that, let us
Yes,
hear
sir.
from them. Now, Ankita will tell in a better way. Why she will tell? Because she earlier appeared in Punjab also, and her marks, because I have seen her answer sheet, she got very good marks there. Now I will ask her to throw some light that how we should write that question, because I have discussed today also with her, and her question paper was also discussed with her. Yes, Ankita, throw some light, take this mic, throw some light about this, that how they should prepare simultaneously, whether they should prepare simultaneously for main or they should wait for some time.
No, sir, we should follow our copies regularly.
Hmm.
We should read our copies when we go home so that we don't have to worry about mains later on, which I had to worry about because I never used to read the whole copy again. So it is very much necessary, and the command on the barracks. In the examination, though they provide the barracks, but you should know what section they have asked so that you don't have to waste your time on searching for the section.
Exactly. Now, if you are now in these days, what I am teaching you, that your concepts must be on your fingertips, so that it may not be difficult for you to trace out the answer. When you are knowing sections, then immediately you will find. Now, if you have never seen the act, then it will cause you will lose time. That how you will be able to trace out that you acts will be provided. That is why I used to say that preliminary examination is much more difficult than the main examination. Do you agree to it or
Yes,
not?
yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Why it is
Sir,
more difficult?
because in mains examination, there are important topics and sections which are focused on.
Mhm.
So you focus those on classes also. But in preliminary, it is a vast canvas, and anything can come from any section. And like I appeared for Rajasthan also, sir.
All right, very good. Oh,
And
what was your performance?
sir, I have scored 81 out of 100.
Very nice. They have declared the result,
No, sir, they have given the
but
answer.
you have assessed from that.
Answer key they have
Answer
given.
key there is
Yes,
they
yes.
have. All right.
Sir, in that examination, the questions were not from very important sections.
Right.
But I had read all the acts of Rajasthan
Your
as well.
concepts
Yes.
were very clear. When your concepts are clear, then the examiner may ask any question. You are capable to handle that also, because you know. Now, just like if you know, if you are having experience to drive a car and you have practiced and you have run the car for 10,000 kilometers, then you can handle that car, even from the difficult situation. You will take it away safely. But if you are untrained, then it will be a chance of collapse always. Yes, Ankit, how many marks you will obtain there from Rajasthan?
Rajasthan, sir, I didn't appear.
You do not. You appeared? How much?
68.
68%. 60. Your percentage? 81. Very nice. Very nice. They have done well. All right. We wish that you should sit on the seat of a judge in coming 2022. Therefore, plan and give up all the activities of life. Don't forget that you have taken oath today in front of all of them. And you have to prove, you have to show to them that you have honored this. All right. All the best, 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 all the best. God bless you. God bless you. God bless you. All right. Very good. Very good. Thank you. Yes, students, periodically I will ask the students, I will bring the students here so that they may boost your confidence. But have some questions to ask from them, that how they have prepared. Now these students, they were just like you people. Now Akashdeep, he did not do anything. Result was declared here at Jalandhar. He was studying in Ludhiana. He immediately joined here. And he was absolutely new. He was having no knowledge about law. But now, but his habit was to come in time and to attend the lecture very, very carefully and to read the copy and act at home, nothing else. And he used to get 100% marks at that time. He used to get 100% marks at that time. When you start getting 100% here, it is a guarantee to you people that you will definitely get more than 80%. Now, Ankita, he has got 81%, 80%. 80%. Once a student gets 80%, then he need not worry because his name will always be there. Never cut off, never rose to that level. Now here it remained in Haryana up to 356 out of 500. All right, students. Now let us, should we proceed further? Or I think we should break only for 10 minutes. Then I will come. We will read some very, very important provisions. All right, students, slightly we will take break for 10 minutes only. Thank you.